Welcome to TechShop's Tool Minute. I'm Jennifer Clements, editor of TechShop. A flashing check engine light and P0300 to P0312 diagnostic trouble code are surefire indications that one or more cylinders are misfiring. While occasional misfires may pass unnoticed, a steady misfire is hard to miss. The engine usually feels rough, lacks power, and uses more gas than usual. Sometimes a misfire may feel like a vibration. A misfire will also cause a huge increase in hydrocarbon emissions, which can cause a vehicle to fail an emissions test.
This video is sponsored by LaunchTech USA, solutions with the power to perform fast and accurate OEM-level diagnostics and repair. Visit LaunchTechUSA.com to learn more.
Misfire codes don't always indicate there is an issue with the ignition system. A misfire code is set when the computer detects a situation where there is an unexpected change in crankshaft speed. With most engines, the crank sensor is the key component in determining a misfire. The PCM calculates the time between the edges of the crank reluctor wheel teeth by receiving a signal from the CKP sensor. The crankshaft rotational velocity and acceleration are compared in the event of a power loss from each cylinder. When a power loss is less than the calibrated value, the suspected cylinder is determined to be misfiring by the PCM. The misfire detection is enabled after certain base information is received by the PCM. Typically, the engine coolant temperature, cylinder head temperature, intake air temperature, and if equipped, the mass airflow sensor, or a combination of these, are used to evaluate the condition as well as the crank and cam positions. Misfires that turn on the check engine light and log a cylinder-specific fault code are the easiest to diagnose. The OBD2 system will identify the cylinders that are not contributing their normal dose of power and set a code that corresponds to the firing order. A P0303 code, for example, would tell you that the number 3 cylinder is misfiring. To figure out which cylinder is number 3, refer to the diagram of the engine's firing order or look for markings on the intake manifold, spark plug wires, or ignition coils if the engine has a coil-on plug ignition system. In our next video, we'll dive into the causes of these misfires. Look for more information on using your scan tool for vehicle diagnostics at TechShopMag.com. And thank you for watching TechShop's Tool Minute. You can find more Tool Minute videos on TechShop's YouTube channel.